It's your girl Passion. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a video on this wax kit machine that I got from Amazon. So this is what the box looks like, and this was $30, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all what it came with. So this is the instructions for it. It came with wax beads, and I've used it already before, so it came with another pack, so 4 things of wax, and it has a little card in here with like information, their email and all that kind of stuff. And then it comes with wax sticks, y'all. So yeah, so that's what it comes with, and then I'm gonna show it to you. I have it plugged up because it's warming up for this video, so I'm showing y'all first, and then I am going to do a review and test it. So let me take the top off. So it has a little top with a little hose right there, I guess to vent, you know, to get some of the steam and stuff out. And it comes like this. And this is the inside. Can y'all see the wax in there? It's already melting. I don't want to spill it. I'm not gonna touch it because it's hot. Baby girl. But yeah, y'all, so I got it from Amazon. I paid like $30 something, and I think it was a good buy. The first time I used it, I liked it. Like, I was nervous to do it myself. I went to go get 2 waxes before, bikini wax, but I never did under my arm. So this is, y'all, please bear with me. I've been letting my hair grow out so I can show you guys on this video. So bears, clean and stuff like that. Yeah, please bear with me, y'all. Like I said, I've been growing it out, and I'm like, I gotta hurry up and wax, but I'm like, no, I need to let it grow a little bit and stuff like that. So yeah, on this side under my arm, I have a mole, and it did pretty good. I was nervous because I didn't want to rip it out, but it did pretty good. This is hard wax, so they said that it's like for sensitive skin and stuff like that, and you don't need a strip. You just let it dry and just pull it off. So yeah, y'all, so I'm about to go and I'm gonna show y'all the review in the next clip. All right, you guys, so for the sweating and stuff like that, I'm gonna start off by putting some powder under my arms. And if y'all do this at home, you guys, make sure you wear something that you don't mind getting like messed up. But this is to take away all the sweat and your body heat and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna start, and I'm looking in my mirror that I have behind the camera, y'all. So I'm gonna start applying the wax. Is it hot? Okay. Because you have to make sure, y'all, that it's not too hot. Like, it has an adjustable temperature and stuff like that on there. So you gotta make sure it's not too hot. Because it will burn your skin. The thing about hard wax is that you can go over the skin more than once. With those strips and stuff, you're not able to go over the skin that much because it rips your skin. Even with this, like, my first time doing it, I had a few times that it was like, you know, a little blood or whatever, but it wasn't like too bad. Oh, now it's starting to stick, y'all. That means it's drying. I'm trying to make sure so I don't have to go over it. I want to just pull this damn strip off. So yeah, and I'm gonna use the same thing because I wax myself. I don't wax nobody else. So now it's starting to get hard, so we're just gonna wait. Hey. Now under your arms is kind of hard. When I did my bikini area, I like held my skin like before I ripped it off. Under your arms it's hard to hold your skin and then pull it off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put some more right here. All right, y'all, so I think it's good. So we'll start by flicking so I can get a good thing to pull off at the bottom. Okay, so 1. Whew, I get nervous, y'all. I'm about to start sweating. Okay, so, whew, okay, 1, 2, whew. Ooh, come off, baby, come off. 1, 2, whew. Ooh, wee. Oh, yeah. Oh, y'all, can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all could. Look at all of that hair. Oh, my gosh. I love this stuff, y'all. Under your arms, to me, is not as bad as, like, the bikini area doing it yourself. That's a lot of hair, y'all. Can y'all see that? Woo. I see this arm looking a lot better than what it was before. And then for the excess, I'll just peel that part off. Just pull it off. All right, y'all. So this little area right here still had a few pieces of hair in there, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. So, and I'm feeling so much better. It's so smooth. And they said that you're supposed to apply the wax like going against the grain, but then when you rip it off, you pull it out where like the way the hair grows, if y'all understand what I'm saying. So yeah, so I went down and I'm pulling up to rip it out. So this one feels like it's kind of dry, so I'm just going to start flicking from the bottom again, just so I can get enough to, like, you know, pull it or whatever. Okay. Like that's enough. Okay. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Okay, so it was a few more hairs in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, a few more hairs that I got out doing that, y'all. And like I said, for the remainder, I'm just gonna like pull it off. See, it stuck to the wax, it just came off. But yeah, so that's what it's looking like, baby girl. And of course the extra wax that's on there. And what I will say, you guys, I have an exfoliator glove that I've been using, because you'll get like hair bumps and some of them little dark spots and stuff. That's what it was, like hair bumps, but I still continue to use the exfoliator. That's really good. They tell you to do that when you go to a professional waxer and stuff like that, but it's really good to do that. So I'm gonna apply some more on this side, this arm, so y'all see the before. And then I am going to come back when it's time to pull it off. Now, this is with my left hand, y'all, so it be going everywhere, okay? So I'll be back in a minute, you guys. All right, you guys, so I got the wax applied. It's so hard. I'm not left-handed, so it's hard to do this side. And I will say, once you get to like the bottom of the wax, it's like hotter when you're closer to like the little pan that it's sitting in. So you really need to make sure the temperature is good so you won't burn yourself, y'all. So excuse me, this is almost dry at the top. The bottom is pretty dry, so I'm gonna start flicking it again. And y'all, please excuse me for how I look on this video. I really just wanted to record this and do this review for you guys and actually show y'all a demo of me using it. Woo! Woo! All right. Here we go. I think I gotta get here. 1, 2. Woo! Ooh, wee. Ooh, I gotta show y'all that one. Ooh. Ooh. And come on. Oh, it's so hard to apply to this side, y'all. So it's coming off in pieces. Okay. 1, 2. Woo. Woo. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so that's what it's looking like. Look at all that hair, y'all. Man, look at them hairs. And this the other piece. Oh, shit, backwards. This the other piece. Look at that. Ooh, you, y'all, I'm so glad that I invested in getting this. And it comes with like the wax beads and stuff like that. Like I said, like I think this is like a really good investment, y'all. Looks like I need to add some more right here. Yeah, I do. Add some more. And it's starting to cool down because I cut it off. So. And they, I guess when I see people wax, they like go to the bottom and like make it round so you can pull it off easier. So let that one dry. All right, y'all. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Yep, got them last little hairs right there. Hope y'all can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Then the remainder, I'm just gonna pull it off. All right, you guys, so that is the review on this wax machine here, y'all. Oh, and I forgot to mention right here, it's like a little thing, I guess, so you can like wipe some of the wax off if you want to on there. I really like this machine, like I for real like it. It's affordable and it comes with all these little wax beads. I'm gonna show y'all one more time these wax beads. So it's some white ones or yellow tone, I don't know, eggshell. These black ones right here and these pink ones. And like I said, I've already used, this was just one, this blue was just one bag, one of those bags, and I already used it to do my underarms and my bikini area. And I still have a little wax left in here, so I've already got 2 uses out of it. So I think that this product is good. I'm enjoying it so far, and like I said, I got it from Amazon and it was $32. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel if you already have it, share my videos, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all of my uploads. And y'all, like I said, bear with me how I came on here today showing y'all my under hairs and stuff like that, but I've been growing them out because I wanted to use this and show you guys how it works and how you do it and stuff like that. So yeah, I will see y'all in another video.
I had to let you know you're mine.